So this is a 4x4 pre-cut closure, meaning the closure is already cut. As you can see, there's no excess lace on it. But this is what they call the air wig, which means the wig is breathable. So as you can see, there is no lace right here. It's already cut for you, which is awesome for people like me who hate cutting lace. And this is an air wig. As you can see, it's breathable on the inside. It comes with an adjustable strap at the back as well as your combs. But if you look closely around the edge, it has this like secure non-slip grip band to help prevent the wig from slipping off of your head, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and get into installing this wig. So nothing new here. My hair is already braided in some terrible braids. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my my gel and my edge brush, and I'm gonna slick my edges back just to make it smooth. I am gonna wear a wig cap underneath this wig, but I'm not going to glue the wig cap down or anything. I'm just going to put it on just so that it covers up my hair and it just looks more flesh colored underneath the wig. Now I'm just going to take my lace tint. I got this from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to tint the lace of this wig. I didn't bleach the knots of this wig or anything. You really don't need to because the hair is already colored, but I do want to make the lace more flesh colored to look like closer to my skin tone. So that's what I'm doing right here, as you can see. And I typically use my cream makeup to put all over my wig cap, but I forgot to get it, so I'm just using the lace tint on my wig cap to turn the color a little bit darker as well. Either one works just fine, but I keep fanning it like that because the spray from the lace tint gets everywhere. So anyways, after that, I'm gonna go ahead and slide the wig on my head, and we're done. I'm just playing. So after I slide the wig on my head, I'm just making sure it fits comfortably. So I'm just putting in the combs like in the back and on the sides. Also, don't forget that this wig has the anti-slip grips. So I'm just making sure everything fits comfortably on my head given the construction of this wig. Just took a clip to pin my hair back to get it out the way, and now I'm just parting out my two edges that I'm going to have on the sides. You don't have to have edges with this style at all, or like baby hairs. I'm addicted to baby hairs, and it's like a habit. It's so hard for me to not do them. So I'm making them really, really thin, making sure I like how they look, and then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm cutting down at a downwards angle, on here at an upwards angle, just to get them to lay how I like, and then I'm taking my small little curling iron and curling them upwards, and then I'm going to lay them down with the same gel that I use to slick my hair back. And I'm not sure if I said this, but this is Eco Style gel, but I think everybody knows that because that's all I ever use. Once I let my edges sit, I'm just going to take my hair down and start doing my part. I decided I was going to wear a middle part with this wig, even though it's like a closure wig. I could have done a side part, but I felt like a middle part was just going to be a little bit simpler. So I did pluck the frontal, the closure just a little bit, but I feel like I didn't pluck it enough. Like I feel like I could have plucked it a lot more than I did. So as I'm making my part, I have to pluck out my part because the closure is so dense. So I have to pluck out my part just to, so you can see the part and so it's more visible. Once I'm done plucking the part, I'm just going to take my wax stick and my hot comb and just smooth down the sides of the wig. Because it's a closure, I don't have to like part it section by section, because typically I would like part my frontals into like smaller sections and do this just to make sure it's super flat. But it's just a 4x4 closure, so it's really easy just to like lay it flat with like a couple of pass-throughs. And then after that, I decided that I want to curl this hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up and throw in some curls. So I got a new curling iron, so I'm really just trying to figure out how I want to curl my hair, because typically I would just wrap my hair around the barrel, but with this curling iron I decided I wanted to use the clamp just to see if that would make a difference in it. Didn't really notice too much of a difference. I feel like I could have got this look still by just wrapping the hair flat, you know, across the barrel. I feel like using the clamp kind of made it a little bit harder, but it also held the hair in place. But I don't know, I just got to work with hot tools more. I am not the best when it comes to this, y'all. I just do what I can. Look at me struggling right here, child. But anyways, don't judge me. This is another Hot Tools curling iron. I got this from Marshalls. Yes, Marshalls. TJ Maxx, one of those. The same place like I got my other one. If you see my other videos, I have like a colorful curling iron from Hot Tools as well. The difference, this one is, they said it's ceramic. The other one isn't. And I think the barrel on this one is a little bit wider than the one on my other one. And this curling iron is shorter. I don't know if that makes a difference. It did to me. I feel like I got wider curls using this curling iron. And I actually really like it more than my colorful one. I probably will use this like moving forward probably. But yeah, so I'm just curling my hair. I did one side and I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the next. So for this style, I decided I wanted like shorter bangs in this wig, kind of in the front. I don't know if y'all like follow Jada, but I was just looking at the little like shorter, like wispy bangs that she had. And I'm like, you know what? That is cute. Let me try that on my wig. So that's what I'm doing here. I typically cut my hair like this anyway, but I cut it a little bit shorter in the front than I normally would to create more of a bang appearance. So what I just do is just part my hair like a thin section, and I cut my hair going straight back, like at an angle and going straight back, if that makes sense. This is the easiest way that I know how to cut hair. I'm sure there's like different methods and everything, and maybe I'll like discover another method one day, but for now, this is how I cut my hair. So while my edges are sitting, I'm just going to peel my wig band down just a little bit. And then I'm going to use my Got To Be Free spray and my wax stick. And I'm just going to use this with my hot comb to, what do you call this? What am I doing? I'm like, I don't know, smoothing out my edges, I guess. Smoothing out the front. I don't know, doing that. Creating a little bump thing. I honestly don't even know what that's called. I just do it because I see other people do it and it looks cute. If anybody knows the official word for it, let me know. But just adding the finishing touches. There we go. It's like a little finishing touch, cleaning it up, whatever. So this always be the best part, taking off that wig band, because look, I got my circulation back to my head. But anyways, I'm just taking my concealer and highlighting my part here so that it just shows a little bit more, so it's not like completely flesh colored, because that would be weird. But I want y'all to get into this. Take a look at this. Take a look at this glueless closure. Look, I can stick my comb all up under there. That is what you call a glueless install, honey. Get into it. But yeah, this is the final look. I love how the bangs came out, and I love the color. You can see the color a lot better here. I think I told y'all previously, but I did get a new camera, so the lighting earlier was like on my new camera, and so it looks kind of weird. I'm still working on that, but you can kind of get an idea here. I shot this on my phone, on my camera phone. my camera phone, child, my iPhone. And you can just like see the vibrancy of the color. It's really, really cute. I probably should have clipped them ends, but we're gonna ignore that. And I love the bangs, and I love how this wig can slide. Look at this. I can just snatch it right off and put it back on. I'm not gonna do that, but you could if you want to. I can adjust it, move it. Woo, look at that. Look at that. You won't even know. Anyways, I really, really love this wig. It's really soft and silky. I don't have any issues with like tangling, shedding. Does hair even still tangle and shed today in 2023? I haven't come across any, but if you do, let me know. But anyways, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios till next time.